Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Well,
Oh, I need my other slippers.
yes, you do. Introductions.
I'm Pete.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
I'm Talia, sorry.
That's all right. Any hand is fine. My friend. Nice to meet you.
How are you? Okay, she's shy.
That's all right. Hi.
Hi, I'm Debbie.
Alan.
Groom's mom.
Okay.
Groom's mom.
Groom's mom.
Who's this?
Who's his partner here? Take a spin. Shake my hand. What's your name?
Leah,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
And the person with the slippers missing.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Yeah. Alright guys, 3, 2, 1. Everybody say David is a freak. Yeah, David is so damn weird. We don't like David. Alright, let's go. Guys, so we're going into the boardwalk here, also known as the graveyard, as the amount of people that constantly die when they walk down inside here, so please be very careful.
That's reassuring.
Yeah, so
This is where I bury all my victims.
all is victims.
But wait, we're not walking.
missing this.
We're not walking there. We're walking the other way.
Right.
But my victims is the corner.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna have a good time. Everybody sign the disclaimer, right? It is not on us if you are to lose your life on this boardwalk.
I don't have insurance, so you're good.
Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Speaking about victims.
Wow.
All right, I'll be back.
She just talked about it too.
All right, guys.
Well, one sacrifice
guys,
is
right?
necessary.
I'll be back.
Bye.
Very good. Just watch it forward, look forward. Right, so this is the most dangerous part coming up here.
I'm a turtle.
Oh, one thing about the mangrove, Zach,
Watch it, Peppy.
it's very strong, so you can actually step on it.
Wow, Jackaroni.
I love trees.
Let me see. Wait.
Oh yeah.
So we take risks on these tours.
Oh, sorry.
I take risks every.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer, how about forever, yeah. I need you to stick around for later, how about forever, yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay a little longer, how about forever, yeah. Wanna get to know all your friends, bet I'll be loving them. I'll try to make them love me back. It won't be like it was before, easy when hearts are pure. I'm falling hard and falling fast. Oh, they can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer, need you to stay forever, yeah. I need you.
Misfire.
Light it again.
What's up?
There's a sharp blade in your hand there, boy.
Start.
Shop. Shop.
You can start cutting it now.
Yeah. Go play.
Coconut and Tobago, boy.
Yep.
Cut off my hand, eh?
Nah, I told I see you.
Now, you want to be the first?
Yes.
Yeah.
In the bag.
A straw in the bag or you drinking it Trini style?
A straw. I could take a straw.
Chug.
Yeah.
So you could drink it like a man. There we go. Ooh.
Sometimes I had that thing.
You gotta get your lips.
What thing?
I told stuff at the last
Oh,
year, boy.
shucks. No, I was trying that for a bit, yeah?
Yeah. I told them
Good stuff.
A little spike?
A little spike.
A little spike.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh yeah, let's try that.
Good shake, good shake. Now you're flowing. Wave.
It's no Florida portion, eh? You're drinking
Oh,
what
okay.
you get in here.
Oh god.
Alright, let me see it.
Now looking like the Florida portion.
You don't want that. You put my lip on it.
How is that?
Wrong! Oh my god.
You didn't mix it, you didn't mix it.
I didn't mix it. Yeah, nice. Like open the hole bigger.
Alright, this is your
Right,
official welcome to Tobago shot,
Okay.
eh? So
Yeah. We go hard in Tobago.
Yeah, I go hard where I go.
a tiny bit for more.
And,
what is that,
and just a little bit for me too.
Willing
Look
to
how
pour,
much
boy.
you got
Pretty.
nothing.
Grandma,
You got not even a
we
sip.
party like it's 1973. 3, 2, 1, cheers!
Welcome to Tobago.
Welcome to Tobago!
Oh, here we come.
And there we go.
And
and the shots are
congratulations,
flowing.
Mel and Pete.
Thank you.
Yes, good man.
Oh boy.
He knows. Chase it with the coconut. Chase it with the coconut.
Yeah.
Right, there you go, Leah.
Let me see you get a scoop. Let me see you get a big scoop.
Yeah, the other way.
That's right. Woo! Do you like it? Very good. Yeah, I love it. I love the jelly. And you're using the fat end like a spoon.
Oh my god. I didn't think it was clear
Yeah,
like that.
Scoop it, like dig it. Don't worry about the slimy stuff. Yeah.
Ooh. That's
Tasty.
good.
So hold up.
He says a little fitted.
Is that a little fitted?
Yeah, it's the biggest they had.
This is looking good, Check it out. So you have no weapons on you, so
You're right.
please.
Now, what? The true
Hey.
test. The true test of this Oh, look at it.
Damn.
Oh shit!
What part of Trinidad were you born?
The east side.
Nice.
What is
So
it here?
excited.
They want?
Check your Trinidad.
Look at all the bracelets I got.
Wow.
Wait, back on.
Action.
They want? They want? They want? Oh, you come then.
And what ice cream do you have, ma'am?
I have pistachio.
It's green like buggers. Taste it. Tell me how it is. Ooh,
It's really good.
Is it really good? Fantastic. Let's go to the beach.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.